Halogen light bulbs, while offering a bright and crisp light, can sometimes have a shorter lifespan than expected. Several factors can contribute to this issue. Understanding these factors and taking appropriate steps can significantly extend the life of your halogen bulbs. Firstly, consider voltage fluctuations. Halogen bulbs are sensitive to voltage variations. If the voltage supplied to your home is consistently higher than the rated voltage of the bulbs, it can lead to premature failure. You can check the voltage using a multimeter or the light fixture. Ideally, it should be close to 120 volts in North America. If you notice significant fluctuations, consider installing a surge protector or voltage regulator to stabilize the voltage supply to your lighting circuit. Secondly, examine the light fixtures themselves. Some fixtures may not be well suited for halogen bulbs due to poor ventilation or heat dissipation. Halogen bulbs generate a significant amount of heat, and if the fixture traps this heat, it can shorten the bulb's lifespan. Ensure that the fixtures are properly ventilated and that the bulbs are not enclosed in a way that restricts airflow. Consider using fixtures specifically designed for halogen bulbs, as these are often engineered to manage heat more effectively. Thirdly, assess the type of dimmer switch you are using or plan to use. Not all dimmer switches are compatible with halogen bulbs. Using an incompatible dimmer switch can cause the bulbs to flicker, buzz, or burn out prematurely. Ensure that the dimmer switch is specifically designed for use with halogen bulbs and that it is rated for the correct wattage. Electronic low voltage, or ELV, dimmers are often a good choice for halogen lighting, as they provide more precise control and can help to extend bulb life. Also, make sure the dimmer switch is rated for the total wattage of all the halogen bulbs connected to it. Overloading the dimmer switch can cause it to overheat and fail, and it can also damage the bulbs. Fourthly, check the bulb wattage and voltage ratings. Ensure that you are using bulbs with the correct wattage and voltage ratings for your fixtures. Using bulbs with a higher wattage than the fixture is designed for can overload the circuit and cause the bulbs to burn out quickly, and it can also be a fire hazard. Make sure the voltage rating of the bulbs matches the voltage supplied by your home's electrical system. Fifthly, consider the quality of the bulbs. Not all halogen bulbs are created equal. Cheaper bulbs may be made with low quality materials and may not last as long as high quality bulbs. Consider purchasing bulbs from reputable brands that are known for their quality and durability. While they may cost more upfront, they can save you money in the long run by lasting longer and reducing the frequency of replacements. Sixthly, avoid touching the bulbs with your bare hands. The oils from your skin can leave residue on the bulb's surface, which can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. When handling halogen bulbs, always wear gloves or use a clean cloth to avoid touching the glass. If you do accidentally touch the bulb, clean it with rubbing alcohol before installing it. Seventhly, check the wiring connections in the light fixtures. Loose or corroded wiring connections can cause voltage drops and fluctuations, which can shorten the lifespan of halogen bulbs. Ensure that all wiring connections are tight and secure, and that there is no corrosion present. If you find any loose or corroded connections, clean them with a wire brush and tighten them securely. If the wiring is damaged, replace it with new wiring of the same gauge and type. Eighthly, investigate potential vibration issues. If the light fixtures are located in an area that is subject to vibration, such as near a road or railway line, the vibrations can cause the bulb filaments to weaken and break prematurely. Consider using vibration-resistant halogen bulbs, which are designed to withstand vibration and last longer in these conditions. You can also try to dampen the vibrations by using rubber washers or other vibration-absorbing materials to mount the fixtures. Ninthly, look for signs of moisture. Moisture can damage halogen bulbs and cause them to burn out quickly. Ensure that the light fixtures are not exposed to moisture and that there are no leaks or condensation present. If you find any moisture, try the fixtures thoroughly before installing new bulbs. Consider using moisture-resistant fixtures or bulbs in areas that are prone to moisture. Tenthly, examine the possibility of power surges. Power surges can damage halogen bulbs and other electronic devices. Consider installing a surge protector to protect your lighting circuit from power surges. A surge protector will absorb excess voltage and prevent it from reaching your bulbs. 11th, check the condition of the bulb sockets. Over time, bulb sockets can become corroded or damaged, which can affect the electrical contact and shorten the lifespan of halogen bulbs. Ensure that the bulb sockets are clean and in good condition. If they are corroded or damaged, replace them with new sockets. 12th, be mindful of the on-off cycle frequency. Frequent on-off cycles can shorten the lifespan of halogen bulbs. Try to avoid turning the lights on and off frequently, especially for short periods of time. If you need to control the lights frequently, consider using a different type of lighting, such as LED lighting, which is more resistant to frequent on-off cycles. 13th, look into the possibility of shared neutral wiring issues. In some cases, shared neutral wiring can cause voltage imbalances and fluctuations, which can shorten the lifespan of halogen bulbs. This is especially common in older homes with outdated wiring. If you suspect that you have a shared neutral wiring issue, consult with a qualified electrician to have your wiring inspected and corrected. 14th, consider the location of the light fixtures within the room. Light fixtures that are located in areas that are subject to drafts or temperature changes may experience shorter bulb lifespans. Drafts can cause the bulb to cool down quickly, while temperature changes can cause the bulb to expand and contract, both of which can weaken the filament and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Try to locate the light fixtures in areas that are protected from drafts and temperature changes. 15th, investigate the potential for electromagnetic interference. Electromagnetic interference from other electronic devices can sometimes affect the performance of halogen bulbs and shorten their lifespan. Try to keep the light fixtures away from other electronic devices, such as televisions, computers, and microwave ovens. If you suspect that electromagnetic interference is causing the problem, try using shielded wiring or filters to reduce the interference. 16th, make sure that the bulbs are properly installed. Loose or improperly installed bulbs can cause poor electrical contact and shorten the lifespan of the bulbs. Ensure that the bulbs are fully screwed into the sockets and that they are making good contact. Do not over-tighten the bulbs, as this can damage the sockets. 17th, consider using a higher voltage bulb, if appropriate. In some cases, using a bulb with a slightly higher voltage rating can help to extend its lifespan. However, be sure to consult with a qualified electrician before using a higher voltage bulb, as it may not be compatible with your fixtures. 18th, regularly inspect the light fixtures and wiring for any signs of damage or wear. Early detection of potential problems can help to prevent bulb failures and other electrical issues. Look for signs of corrosion, loose connections, or damaged wiring. If you find any problems, repair them immediately. 19th, if you are still experiencing problems with your halogen bulbs burning out quickly, consider consulting with a qualified electrician. An electrician can inspect your wiring and fixtures and identify any underlying problems that may be causing the issue. They can also recommend solutions to extend the lifespan of your halogen bulbs. 20th, consider alternatives to halogen bulbs. While halogen bulbs offer a bright and crisp light, they are not the most energy efficient or long-lasting option. LED bulbs are a much more energy efficient and long-lasting alternative to halogen bulbs. They also generate less heat, which can help to extend the life of your fixtures. If you are tired of replacing your halogen bulbs frequently, consider switching to LED lighting. When addressing the issue of halogen bulbs burning out quickly, a systematic approach to troubleshooting is essential. By carefully examining each of these potential causes and implementing the recommended solutions, you can significantly extend the lifespan of your halogen bulbs and reduce the frequency of replacement. Remember to prioritize safety when working with electrical systems and consult with a qualified electrician if you are unsure about any aspect of the troubleshooting process.